Hi there, welcome back to Riddle. I hope you've enjoyed creating this single select question. Let's go into the creator now and double check the process for building that block. Click on add a block and select single select again. My question can go in the title field. Get rid of that space there. And I put all the days of the week, in my case Monday to Friday, in the answer content. Okay, I added an image in here. I went into this folder here, and then I need the planner picture. Okay, and in this case I don't want to shuffle the answers. I want them to be in order from Monday to Friday. But let's check through any other options that we might want to change. I'm happy with required, and I don't want to enable other answer option because I want to limit them to the days that they are working. And that's it. I don't need to change anything there. So let's click on preview. And great. And my audience can only select one answer option. That's where we've got a single select question there. Okay, I'll see you in the next clip for another block, and thank you very much.